Welcoming a new baby means preparing fresh, healthy meals right at home. In this video, we'll uncover the best food processor for baby food, making it easier for you to whip up smooth, nutritious purees your little one will love. Number 1. NutriBullet Food Processor. The NutriBullet Food Processor is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to streamline their food preparation process, especially for busy parents or those making baby food. The 200-watt motor base, combined with a versatile blending blade, allows for quick and efficient processing of a variety of ingredients, from fruits and vegetables to more complex mixtures. The 32-ounce batch bowl is perfect for preparing larger portions, while the 12-ounce short cup with handles provides a more convenient option for smaller servings. One of the standout features of this processor is its set of 6 storage cups, each equipped with date ring lids, ensuring that meals can be stored and tracked easily. The silicone freezer tray is also a thoughtful addition, making it easy to prepare and store baby food for future use. The BPA-free, non-toxic plastic construction adds to the safety of the product, making it ideal for preparing food for your little one. Additionally, the NutriBullet food processor is dishwasher safe, ensuring that cleanup is as easy as the food prep itself. Parents will appreciate the ease of making fresh and nutritious meals without the hassle of multiple appliances. The product is designed to simplify the food-making process by offering a one-stop solution for mixing, blending, and storing, making it an ideal kitchen companion for those looking to create wholesome meals quickly. Whether preparing purees or larger meals, the NutriBullet food processor ensures that your baby's food is fresh, flavorful, and free from harmful additives. Number 2. Bare Food Processor. The Bare Food Processor is a perfect addition to any kitchen, particularly for new parents looking for a convenient and efficient way to prepare healthy baby food. This all-in-one device combines the functions of a steamer and blender, which eliminates the need for multiple kitchen appliances. The processor features a built-in menu with preset functions for different ingredients, including vegetables, fruits, fish, and meats. Simply select the desired setting, and the processor will automatically steam and blend your ingredients to the perfect texture. The nutrient-preserving steaming cycle ensures that all the vitamins and flavors are locked in, providing the healthiest meals for your baby. With its 400 milliliters mixing bowl and high-quality precision blades, the Bare Food Processor can prepare meals in just a few minutes. One of the standout features of this processor is its self-clean function, which is a major time saver for busy parents. Just add water to the blender and let the processor do the cleaning itself. Additionally, the processor is made from BPA-free, lead-free Tritan material, ensuring that it is safe to use. The water shortage reminder function is a useful feature that alerts you when the steamer is running low on water, preventing any potential mishaps. The safety lock design ensures that the blender can only be powered on when the lid is securely in place, offering peace of mind during use. This easy-to-use, safe, and efficient food processor is a must-have for any parent looking to make healthy, homemade meals for their baby without the extra hassle. Number 3. EVLA'S Food Processor. EVLA'S Food Processor is a highly versatile tool that every parent should consider for preparing healthy meals for their babies. This product combines steaming, blending, and pureeing functions in one compact and efficient unit. The steamer ensures that ingredients are thoroughly cooked, preserving their natural flavor and nutrients. Once steamed, the food processor seamlessly blends the ingredients to create smooth purees or finely chopped textures, ideal for babies at different stages of weaning. The process is simple and user-friendly, with intuitive touchscreen controls that allow parents to select their desired settings for steaming and blending. You can easily adjust the temperature, blending speed, and steaming time, ensuring that each meal is prepared to your specific preference. The processor is made from high-quality, food-grade materials that are BPA-free, ensuring that your baby's meals are safe and free from harmful chemicals. In addition to its ease of use, the EVLA'S food processor is quick to clean, making it a practical choice for busy parents. The convenience of an all-in-one appliance that can steam and blend quickly means that you can prepare healthy meals in minutes. Whether you're preparing baby food or blending other family meals, this food processor is a great way to simplify the cooking process while ensuring that your little one gets the best nutrition possible. With its combination of safety features, quick operation, and user-friendly design, EVLA'S food processor is a must-have for any parent looking to provide their baby with wholesome, homemade meals. Number 4. GROWNSY Food Processor. The GROWNSY food processor is designed with parents in mind, offering a unique combination of steaming and blending in one device. This versatility eliminates the need for multiple appliances, saving both space and time in the kitchen. The steam function preserves the nutrients in the ingredients, ensuring that your baby receives the full nutritional benefits of their meals. The steaming basket is designed to elevate the ingredients, ensuring that they are evenly steamed without losing valuable vitamins like B and C, which are often lost during traditional boiling. The blending function then allows you to create the perfect consistency for purees, whether you prefer a smooth texture or a chunkier blend. The GROWNSY food processor is easy to use, thanks to its smart digital controls that allow you to choose between automatic or manual mixing modes. Whether you're making purees, smoothies, or even steamed vegetables for the whole family, this food processor can handle it all. It is made from high-quality, heat-resistant tritan material, ensuring safety and durability. The GROWNSY food processor is also BPA-free, free from lead, phthalates, and other harmful substances, making it a safe choice for preparing your baby's food. The device also includes a water shortage reminder function, ensuring that the machine operates efficiently and safely. With its thoughtful design and multiple functions, the GROWNSY food processor is a great option for parents who want a reliable and convenient way to prepare nutritious meals for their little one. Number 5. Babymoov food processor. The Babymoov food processor is an outstanding 6-in-1 appliance that offers everything parents need to prepare wholesome and nutritious meals for their babies. This versatile product serves as a steamer, blender, warmer, defroster, and sterilizer, eliminating the need for multiple kitchen gadgets. The large 74-ounce capacity makes it easy to prepare meals in bulk, saving time and effort in the kitchen. Whether you're making purees, soups, or steamed vegetables, the Babymoov food processor ensures that your baby's meals are cooked to perfection, preserving essential nutrients, vitamins, and flavors. The intuitive LCD display and programmable settings make it easy to use, while the alert feature notifies you when the steaming cycle is complete. The product is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Additionally, it is BPA, lead, and phthalates free, ensuring that your baby's meals are safe from harmful chemicals. The product's dual functionality as a bottle warmer and sterilizer further adds to its value, making it a multifunctional appliance that simplifies the mealtime process. Parents will appreciate how easy it is to use the Babymoov food processor, allowing them to spend less time preparing meals and more time enjoying time with their little one. With its large capacity, multiple functions, and safety features, the Babymoov food processor is a must-have for parents looking to make mealtime easier, faster, and more nutritious. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.